Coconuts are used in many ways, providing food, cooking ingredients, cosmetics. The diverse parts of the coconut, including its flesh, water, oil, husk, shell, and leaves, each have distinct applications, ranging from health and wellness to construction and agriculture. The flesh part of the coconut can be eaten raw, dried, or grated into dishes. It can also be processed into coconut milk and coconut flour, which can substitute wheat flour in baking. The liquid inside young coconuts, known as coconut water, is a refreshing electrolyte rich drink. Extract from the dried flesh, coconut oil is used in cooking, frying, and for its moisturizing properties in skin and hair products. Coconut milk is a versatile ingredient in many cuisines. Other parts, coconut sap can be fermented to make wine or vinegar, and coconut sugar is a sweetener.